Hi there, AI adopter. You know what keeps me up at night? Seeing talented professionals just like you stuck in the daily grind while others are zooming past on their career ladder. And often the difference comes down to one thing, being that person who spots problems before they become disasters. So by the end of this video, my goal is that you'll have a powerful AI prompt that turns you into your team's go-to person for risk management. There's no fancy certifications needed, just practical tools that work in real life and in the real world. So every office, and I'm sure yours too, has that one person, right? The one who seems to have the crystal ball for spotting problems before they even happen. While everyone else is running around putting out fires, they're calmly presenting solutions to the issues that nobody else actually saw coming. Want to know their secret? Well, they're probably already using AI to do the heavy lifting. And today, I'm letting you in on their playbook. And maybe there are still the traditional types that don't use AI, but hey, you don't have to go through all their training. You can just use my prompt that I'll present to you here in the middle. You actually see it here in the background floating down. And at the end, you can also go to my newsletter on Substack, which is linked below, to get the whole thing. Okay, so anyway, here's the thing about risk assessment in most companies, though. It's either death by spreadsheet or we'll deal with problems when they come up. All right, that's one of those two approaches, and neither of them works, in my opinion. You need something in between, and that's exactly what I've spent the last few days creating for you. Okay. I've created this prompt that I just showed you. Here you can see a fictitious pest company already. And that prompt strikes the perfect balance between comprehensive and actually usable advice, okay? It's specifically designed for busy professionals who need solid risk insights without getting bogged down in consultant speak. So let me walk you through it, how it works, okay? First, it acts as your personal risk management consultant, but not to the kind that charges $500 an hour to tell you the obvious. Okay, this one actually gives you specific, actionable recommendations. Here you can see some example output right on the screen right now. These recommendations come in plain English, okay? The prompt breaks down your risks into internal and external categories, things like operational vulnerabilities, resource constraints, market shifts, and competitive threats. The stuff that actually matters for your business, okay? Now, here's where it gets really good. For each risk, you get immediate actions for the next days, short-term plans for the next 90 days, let's say, and long-term solutions for the next 6 to 12 months. Obviously, depending on how much you put in, the better you get the output, right? Garbage in, garbage out. Plus, it also helps you identify those quick wins, the low effort, high impact type of stuff, the Pareto stuff, 80-20 rule, I'm sure you heard it. The stuff that you can tackle right away to look like a hero in your next team meeting. So I've included a complete example here, as you saw, as this fancy auto page scroller, by the way, it goes down here. You can see it shows you the next steps, pro tips, how to use it, what not to do. Let me just go through this one more time here briefly. The only thing is, so you want to copy that entire prompt here. And the only thing that you want to maybe paste this into a text document before you actually paste it to your ChatGPT or whatnot. Let me just turn this off here for a second. Okay. Before you turn it, you want to make sure that this section here is filled out. All right. So business description, industry, market, changes, and all that type of stuff. So here you have an example on how I filled that out for a pest control company in Miami. And again, this is the output that you can expect. I think this one was done in DeepSeek R1, but you can use any other of your favorite LLMs. And, give it a try. This is really much more in the newsletter. I encourage you to check it out. And, if you're finding value in this type of thing and AI tools in general for business, why not share it with your colleagues or maybe your boss? Show them how proactive you are, so you're in front of the line of that promotion line next time it comes around. because sometimes the best way to become indispensable is to help others to succeed. All right. So with that being said, I hope you found that valuable, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.